All right, hey everyone. So today we are not on the water, but it's second best. We're at 2607 Natalie up in Shawnigan Lake, and we aren't on the lake, but we're just a few minute walk from the lake. And actually you can jump on a trail here and walk your way all the way down to the lake, or actually even into the village, which is kind of cool. So let's go have a look inside. Hey guys, so we're now in the backyard, and obviously a super important spot in the summertime. If you're not down at the lake, well, you've got this gorgeous patio, hot tub. It isn't included, sorry, but a good spot for it. We've got a heat pump behind us, a backup generator, and then down the side here, there's a big gate. It opens up and you can bring your boat, RV, trailer, whatever you want down here for storage, which is super nice. All right guys, that was 2607 Natalie Lane. Thanks for coming out, and we'll see you on or near the water next time.